Hello Nana, my name is Eduardo from Boss Moto, representing a personal video for you for this Toyota Highlander Limited, black and black. Comes with a protection from the hood, sunroof, luggage rack. This vehicle has 165,949 kilometers, and the price is $19,998 plus HST and licensing. This vehicle is no damage record found, no liens, it's clear title, brand new tires, brand new all around the brakes. And very important right now, this vehicle is available. Power door locks, power windows, power seat, automatic transmission. You have all the feature and this vehicle. Lots of room, 7 passengers. If you need more information, or if you want to set an appointment for you to take a look at this vehicle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you.